Hey everyone, I'm Natasha Calzatti. I'm a photographer and educator for Samys PhotoSchool. And today I'd like to show you how to use the target adjustment tool in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, so let's take a look at the target adjustment tool in Photoshop. So it's located in 3 different panels. You can find it in the hue saturation adjustment. Here is the target adjustment tool. And what it does is basically when you turn it on, you're able to just click on a color, click and hold, and drag to the right or left, and only that combination of the color will change. So in this case it's yellows, or if I just click on the blue, it will be the blues, and as you can see, the sky and the blue billboard back there is changing. Now you can also find it in the black and white adjustment. So the same target adjustment tool, if I click on an area, only that contrast will change of that specific color, happens to be yellow. It's also in the curves tool. If I open up the curve panel, I will see the target adjustment tool there as well. So I could click on a shadow and that will create a point, and I can darken, and I could click on a brighter area and I can lighten, and you can create different contrast changes just with the target adjustment tool. Here's a more efficient way to use the target adjustment tool. Let's say I go into curves, and instead of clicking on the adjustment tool button every time, what I'm going to do is click on this collapsed menu and choose auto select target adjustment. And from this point on, if I go into an adjustment, say once again curves, I'm already in that tool. So I could click on a shadow, bring down the shadow, click on a highlight, increase my contrast. I could go into my hue saturation adjustment, and there it is, it's already turned on, and I could tone down the blues a little bit, or maybe increase my greens a little bit, and I could also go into black and white, and there it is again. So if I wanted to make this image black and white, I could lighten wherever it is that I'm clicking on and darken on different areas of my image. And so this is the target adjustment tool in Photoshop 2021. Hey guys, if you want to learn more Photoshop techniques, come join me in my Photoshop class at Samys PhotoSchool. The link is down below. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and you'll be notified for our next tip. And thanks a lot for watching.